Yesterday night, because of the wind, this aloe vera pot fell down and some broke. So I'm going to separate this small little plant. It's very easily coming out. This one I'm going to separate. I'm going to plant it separately. Small little baby plant. This one I'm going to plant separately, and this time I'm not going to use a pot directly, because every time there is a new sapling and every time there is more growth, it keeps on growing upward. It keeps on going upward, as a result of which the plant came out of the pot. So this time I am going to plant it, this whole setup, directly in the ground. And I am going to plant this one in a small little pot, and probably I can put it in the balcony. This is the second baby that this plant has given, and in the ground probably it will look better. So I am going to plant it directly on the ground. Meanwhile, I will also show you, these are like small little orange kind of thing. This is where I make the vegetable compost kind of thing. All the vegetable waste and all the biodegradable waste goes in there. This one is a lemon plant. There is no lemon as of now. This one is a small little pomegranate. Occasionally it will give some babies. And this is my favorite, one of my favorite, a zebra cactus. This one is a zebra cactus because of the color and all. Look at it, it's so pretty, so beautiful. So this is the zebra cactus. This one will also give out many offshoots like the aloe vera. This is a jade plant. I'm going to talk about this in a separate video, but look at the leaves. I'm probably it's not that common to have this thick jade plant leaves. It's not very usual, it's not very common. And this one is a desert rose. After many of them, I guess 2 plants died, then I mastered the art of how to grow these ones. They have beautiful flowers, as you can see. And also look at the soil. This is how the soil will look like. Look at this one. I'm trying to grow another jade plant from here, and it has to be like this. And this I have learned after killing 2 of these plants. This one is a rose, and I guess there is one which are dried. This one is a dried one. The rest of them are gone. And these are like medicinal plants. These can be eaten with look at them. These can be eaten with fish or just like a soup, and they're very, very tasty. So this is like small little garden. The chillies are there. Then there are flowers in my brinjal plant. This is the brinjal plant. It has got flowers in it. There will be brinjals coming up soon. And this is the chili plant. There are many chilies, as you can see. This chili plant has many chilies. If you'll see properly, there are many chilies in it. And recently we have also trimmed the edges of the plant so that there will be more growth. And well, that's it for today. It's my small little garden. And this is also another chili plant which has many chilies in it. So like this. And this one also has got flowers. And hello broken pot aloe vera. I'm going to plant you today on the ground, don't worry. Bye bye.